milestone in her life, and we are overjoyed to celebrate this special occasion with you. Thank you everyone for being here today. Your love and support mean
nothing's gonna change our love for Alicia, no? Naway hindi magbago yung pagmamahal natin sa kanya, no? May we always love her the way we love, the way, kung paano natin siya minamahal ngayon, no? Naway hindi yun magbago. And the same goes as well, Alicia. I hope hindi rin siya magbago and mahalin niya yung mga tao sa, you know, people who are there supporting and of course giving her guidance. Yeah. And now let us proceed to our 18 bills. Excited na ba kayo mga bibigay ng 18 bills? Ay parang hindi. Excited na kayo? Ay hindi. Hindi. Convince me. Excited na kayo? Ayan. Okay. Sige. Una sa listahan na magbibigay ng kanyang bill, we have Cheravic May Tantoy. Cheravic May Tantoy.